Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about GeoJSON. GeoJSON is an open format which can be used to represent geospatial data. Geospatial data may be multi-string, point, line, polygon, multi-polygon, etc. So today we are going to use GeoJSON data in our leaflet map. So first of all, we should go to this website geojson.io. We will be creating some point, line and polygons. If you are new to this website, here you can find out the login option, and so login with your GitHub or anything else. I have logged with my GitHub. So first of all, I will create a new, and in here I will go to first create some points from put this point here 1 and 2 3 4 5. Now I'll save this here. First of all, let me go to my leaflet data. Here I have previously made some data, so I will delete that and save this one. Save as GeoJSON. Here inside leaflet I will create one folder called data. Inside data, this is point data, so I will give its name as point. Next will be new, and next we will make some line data. This is line, and save as GeoJSON line. And third will be polygon. Polygon, we have two polygon. One is rectangle. I will make rectangle. And second will be pentagon. I will make pentagon. You can make hexagon, whatever the number of side you like. I'll make pentagon, and I can give properties too. I'll give name to this pentagon and save. For this I'll give name rectangle, and I'll save that rectangle, and I'll save that. Okay, here you can see name is equals to rectangle for rectangle, and for pentagon I have name pentagon. Here are some properties. Stroke color is this, stroke width is 2, and stroke opacity 1, and fill color is this. Fill color is here we have a hexagonal code, hexadecimal code, or what. I have especially no idea about this, but we have some code, color code for this. Color code hashtag, for example, the color code is this. So we have some color code for every color, and fill opacity of this color, and name I have given pentagon. So we have saved we have to save this as GeoJSON, and this will be polygon. So now go to this data folder and copy all, and again paste here, and rename this as from here data, rename this as .js file, line.js. For point, rename point.js, and for polygon rename it as polygon.js. Now since these are JavaScript file, we have to assign some variable for this. So I will assign variable line JSON equals to this, and for point add point JSON equals to sorry, this is not the file we are looking. This is the file. Variable point JSON equals to this, and for polygon JS, here variable polygon JSON equals to this. Okay, this is saved. Now we'll go to our HTML file, and the first thing we have to do is let's go to our documentation of Leaflet JS, and inside Leaflet JS we have tutorials inside GeoJSON, using GeoJSON with Leaflet. So this is our properties like this in here, line like that, and so this will be our, this is how we will call our GeoJSON file in HTML. So GeoJSON. So our file variable name we will call here variable. GeoJSON feature means variable. What we are assigned is here line JSON. Line JSON dot add to map. So let's look after our map here. See, we have our line here in this map. So I'm going to change to, okay, this is our line map here in line data in our map. So let's put some line polygon and point data also. Okay, for polygon we have a point, we have point JSON dot point JSON, and for polygon we have polygon. So let's see in our app why point JSON, polygon JSON, point JSON. So here we have missed. So we have our point and polygon in this map. So this is how we can add our point, polygon and line in our Leaflet map. So next step is we can add some bind pop-up to our polygon, which means if we click on our polygon, then we can show some information through that polygon. So what we have to do is we have to create a function which is shown here in our documentation. We will be using one function which is on each feature. From this feature we can use bind pop-up to show some information through our through the polygon. When we click the polygon, we can show some information. So what we have to do is we have to go to our polygon JSON and create a function here. Function will be on each feature. We'll run a function inside constants feature and layer. So in this feature we will be using bind pop-up, and bind pop-up we can show feature inside feature we have properties, and inside properties we have name. So what it's gonna show is when you click the polygon, it will show the name which we have given. For rectangle we have given the name rectangle, and for pentagon we have given the name pentagon. So let's see. Okay, when we click we have we got pentagon here, and for rectangle we got rectangle here. So this is how we can give our some data to our bind pop-up. So if we want to add some more to this, we can do we can give um, bold this is a and then we can give this. So inside, since this is a string, we must keep inside our column. So plus, yes. Now from after this we can see look, this is a pentagon, this is a rectangle. So this is how we show bind pop-up in our data. After that we can give some styling to this polygons. We can change the fill color, fill properties from this. So for this we have to go to style. Inside style we have some stroke, color, weight, opacity, line cap, line join, dash array, this. So I'm going to use fill color for this. I'm going to change the fill color of this. So for this we have to use another style function. So inside this it contains different objects. So what I'm going to use is fill color. So I have to, so I will give red to this fill color. So red will be the fill color, and fill opacity will be 1, and for so let's see this first. Okay, see, this is the fill color and opacity. So we can decrease the opacity to 0.1 point. So if decreasing, it makes 0.1. This opacity is 0.1. Satellite, let's see. This is the opacity is 0.1, and we can change the color of this stroke. So let change the color. For color we have to use color, and color will be, we'll use green, green. So let's see, this is our color. We have green color, and fill color is stroke color is green, and fill color is red. So this is how we can change. And now if you want to bring this point, line and polygon to this layer controller, so we can do that by here we have assigned some let's first bring this above of layer control. Here we will use this, and in we will assign some variable to this. Variable equals to variable line data equals to this, and variable point data equals this, and variable polygon data equals to this. After this we will add this in overlays. In overlays we will have point data is point data. Now line data is line data, and polygon data. Polygon data is 4 data. So let's see what it will do. Okay, here we have all the data. If you want to show point data, click this, else on click this. So this is the marker which we gave before. So we have 3 data: point data, line data, and polygon data. So this is how we will add GeoJSON data to our Leaflet map. I hope this tutorial was sufficient for you to get a basic knowledge of GeoJSON in Leaflet. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.